Mabuhay! Piat Lucena is also here at Pahiyas Festival 2024. Piat Lucena offers Diploma in Tourism and Travel Services for school year 2024 to 2025. The Diploma in Tourism and Travel Services will prepare the students with skills, knowledge, and leadership qualities required to succeed as professionals in the tourism industry. This program comprises chiefly fundamentals, history, business statistics, aviation management, and business regulatory framework tourism. At Piat Lucena, the scholarship benefits are cash allowance, no tuition fee, no laboratory fee, no miscellaneous fee, no registration fee, no entrance examination, free national certificate assessment, free school uniform, and free PE uniform. So what are you waiting for? Be part of our fastest growing community. Be a certified Piasians. Enroll now!